about to witness something you never heard before. Thank y'all for listening. My hobby and job take y'all to infinite states. Lost in rhythm is great, your deliverance better than a case of 8-ball against. This ain't for the timid, I break jaws and ligaments. Rappers step up and they take falls. I flow like the great falls and rivers. Y'all ain't raw, y'all niggas is cake for the pick and play all your lyrics. I make ball up all of the paper and throw it away. All you're kidding me right now, you're killing me. I should murder all y'all on documentary. Pun cock delivery, one thought from gifts beyond your whole clique. You squad the whole chemistry y'all possess isn't a fourth of the rhythm I store in one kidney. Come on, y'all, come get me. It's war, you know diddly squat. I know rhythm, it's like I'm Bo Diddley. Rock and roll history stocked in your memory box. Your flow, it'll be chopped in whole cities and blocks. So go instantly nuts when I'm killing the cut. I'm not giving a fuck, I'm hot living it up. It's quite iller than knock as Godzilla. I sock holes in buildings with nocturnal vision and rock for the children in Watson, South Central, the Bronx and Boston and the spots. It's not loving the cops. They like nigga, that positive shit is not hot. We don't listen, come out to our district and cop the whole village and not. Cause your vision is not how we living. It's hot and blood spilling a lot. We ain't dealing with chakras, we dealing with choppers and innocent bystanders feeling it drop. We just getting it out here.
Please respect my protocol. One by one I'll drop them all. Just call me a conscious fool who rhymes circles around you. Please respect my protocol. One by one I'll kill